following experience is a powerful meditation on slow motion movement and the flow of energy. We'll begin the experience by energizing the hands, and then we'll center our awareness with long, full, deep breaths. You'll be visualizing warmth and energy flowing from the core of your body up through your chest, down through your arms and into your hands. At one point, I'll be suggesting you lift your hands slightly off your body and then begin to move very, very slowly. The idea here is to focus on moving the hands so slow they may begin to feel as if they're moving by themselves. The object of concentration is on the slow motion movement of the hands, the flow of energy moving through your body, and holding the mind as witness to the flow of sensation. So we'll begin by shaking out the hands. Imagine you're flinging water off your fingertips as you shake out both your hands, and let your breath deepen slightly as you continue to shake and shake the hands. Shake them out very vigorously now, and then very gently place the palms face up on your body and take a few moments to simply focus on the sensations in your hands. Feel, if you can, the pulse in your fingertips. Let's do a few rounds of deep, centering breath. Let your breath deepen. Real long, real full, real deep breath. Notice if you can activate your belly, your rib cage, and the upper chest as you breathe. Each exhalation softening the body. Each inhalation filling the body with energy, with light, moving sensation. Imagine a light at the very core of your being, deep in the belly. As you breathe in, let it pulse a little brighter. As you exhale, let it pulse a little dimmer. As you continue to breathe, let your awareness very gently focus on this light at the core of your body. If you like, you can give it a temperature. You can give it a color. Long, full, deep breath. Feeling a growing sense of warmth and energy building with each breath. Each inhalation feeling energy moving through your body. Each exhalation relaxing just a little bit more. And as you feel ready, imagine or feel this energy moving up through your chest. As you breathe in, feeling the light and energy moving up, filling the heart. The chest filling with energy and warmth. And imagine or feel this energy now flowing down your arms and into the palms of your hands. Light and warmth filling the heart, the chest cavity, filling the rib cage, and energy flowing down the arms into the palms of the hands. Energy flowing down into your fingers and thumbs. Feel the air touching the palms, the fingers and the thumbs. Feel the outline of the hands. Feel the space between your fingers. When you feel ready, very gently lift your hands slightly off your body, just enough to release them into the air. And let them be perfectly still. Relax the shoulders. Relax down through the elbows. Relax the palms of the hands. And relax the breath. When you feel ready, imagine that if someone was watching you, they could barely perceive motion as you begin to lift the hands upward. Moving so slowly, so slow that if someone was observing you, they could only barely perceive motion. Let your hands move, almost effortlessly. Let your breath relax even more, and feel the micro movements of your hands as they flow through space. And sense, if you can, the smallest unit of movement in your awareness as you continue to lift the hands. You may be able to slow the motion down so slow that the hands will begin to feel as if they're moving by themselves. Imagining the molecules of air rolling between your fingers. Feeling energy streaming down into the hands. At some point, you may wish to turn the hands gently toward each other. As the hands approach each other, you may wish to pulse them ever so slowly together. Imagine that you can feel the edges of the energy field between the hands. You may feel as if you are feeling a ball of pulsing energy, or as if the hands are like the opposite poles of a magnet. The breath is easy. The body is relaxed. The mind is simply present, witnessing the flow of sensation flowing into the hands, and allowing the hands in their own time to move in their own unique way, their own natural flow. The mind is relaxed and at the same time alert and aware. And over the next few minutes, simply allow the hands to move in their own natural expression. The mind absorbed into the smallest details of sensation. You may wish at some point to bring the hands to a place on your body, calling for healing, calling for your attention. Just allow your hands to spontaneously be drawn to rest on a place on your body. Easy, gentle breath, relaxing into the healing presence of your hands. Nothing to do, nothing to fix. Simply to be in the radiance of your energy and awareness. For these remaining minutes, simply trust the wisdom of the body, the instinctive guidance of energy, and the flow of sensation. When you feel ready, gently allow the hands to begin their descent. How much more can you relax right now? How much more can you feel? How much more can you allow in this moment? Sense the flow of energy, the spaciousness of your awareness, even as you come into stillness. When you feel ready, let your breath deepen slightly. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes.